Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and today I've got some happy mail, and this happy mail has come all the way from the US from a lovely lady called Josephine Preddy. So thank you, Josephine. I had an idea this was coming on, this was arriving, but it came while I was away. And so I'm just going to get into it. How is everybody? Are you all getting ready for the festive season, guys? It's going to be quite low key here in my home this year. And so yeah, so let's see what I've got. Oh, it's a bag in a bag. Oh, so let's see what we've got. So I have an idea what it is. Well, I do know what it is actually. Oh my word. Let me just check. She sent me some vintage guys, vintage knitting. And I've got a lovely little card. Oh, hello there. Look at that, isn't that sweet? Let me just read it. Oh, she put, I'm very glad for you to have these patterns. Your knit items are just fabulous. Thank you for all you do on your channel. Always praying for you and your family. Take care. Getting any crochet sock patterns, yarn and hooks, really? Yes, sock yarn, lol, for next year. You've inspired me. Oh, and that's what my channel's all about, guys, is to help inspire you. And if you have any, any questions and I can help you, then just drop me an email, guys. I'm always here to help. Oh my lord. The Work Basket 1982 February. Look at that, guys. Oh, I'm so delighted. There's let me see, there's quite a bit of knitting. Oh, recipes, guys, recipes. Frank Fontaine. Oh yeah, so I have a good look through this, and I'm sure Rick will enjoy it as well. And there's a double-breasted unicorn wall hanging, double-breasted cardigan. Look at all the hairstyles. Children's mittens. Seiko buttermilk powder. Obviously this is the US, so I've never heard of it before, but there's recipes in here. Sewing tips, Victorian picture album, quilting, sweater with a difference. Look at that, isn't that nice? Quite like that. Decisions. My folder of future projects is getting bigger, guys. It's getting bigger. So, oh, that is brilliant. Thank you for that. Oh, that's wonderful. A knitted baby blanket, pinwheel, Afghan. Wow, just thank you for that. But that's not the only one. I've got another one. And I've got knit and crochet for children. Look at that. Oh, these are fab. There's berets, there's scarves and sweaters, there's cardigans. Oh, just amazing, guys. Look. Thank you, Josephine. Oh, wow. Afghans. A Coates and Clark, book number 200. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, and it's got your chart. Knit lattice Afghan. Oh, wow, guys. Look at that one. Oh, I'm loving these. Oh, they're fabulous. And that one. Some really nice. So I'm not sure if it's got a date on here. 50 cents, guys. 50 cents. Doesn't tell you the year. Let me see if it's in the back. No, nothing in the back. This one was 35 cents. This one was 75 cents. And this was January 83, and this was February 82 and 83. And then we've got November 1978, 50 cents. Boys pullover. Oh, look at that porcelain doll. I don't really like dolls, they give me the creeps. Oh, look at the little snowman. Look at the little snowman. Oh, Josephine, I'm going to have some fun. And this is December 1986, and it's gone up to $1 now, guys. Inflation. Inflation. And there's also, oh, look at that cardigan. That's nice. Wow. And another one, May 1986. Oh, let's have a look. I've just spotted something. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? And then a knitted shawl. I've got a knitted flower. Washcloths. Are these washcloths? Oh, dishcloths. Honeycomb check dishcloth. Is it knitted or is it crocheted? Oh, it's crocheted. Oh no, knitted needles. Oh, so you knit or crochet? Hold on. No, you knit. Knit. It's knitted. Knitted dishcloths. Bennett book number 88, 75 cents for all the men. Oh, look at that. And there's loads of them in here. Let me see if I can get a picture of. Look at the waistcoats. I'll knit Rick a waistcoat, shall I, guys? Ah. And then Linda, just for FYI, you might like the Premier Fruit Sock Yarn, page 12, for fun socks. There's a crochet pattern I'll try to make next year. Oh, too bold. Try to get. Oh, wow. The Premier, what page did she say? Page 12. Oh, that's like the fruit socks that I'm making now. Oh, that's good. Premier Fruits. So the King Cole fruits that I'm doing now, it's like the fruits in the Premier. But thank you for that. Thank you. So what do you think, guys? Aren't they awesome vintage patterns? Thank you, Josephine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And before I finish, I just want to show you, I am in the UK where there's Beehive Yarns, and I've joined their sock club. So my sock club for this month, I think it's for this month. Let's see if I can get into it. Where's my scissors? Yeah, so I've joined the sock club here in, they're based in, where are they based? They're based in Yorkshire. And it's come in a little box. And it's the Enchanted Beehive yarn. And it's called the Enchanted Sock Yarn. And and I got rooibos tea, and these are the socks for this month. That's the mood picture, and they're the socks, the yarn. they'll make fun socks, won't they, guys? Let's see. Let's see what it says inside. So they are, oh, they're my November sock yarn, guys. The November, I've not got December's yet. So these are November's. Audrey Classic Socks, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 20 grams, which is 85 meters, hand washed. And thank you for choosing Beehive Yarns Enchanted Yarn Club. There we go. And the colours. And but guys, aren't these my colours? Let me get them out. Sorry about the crinkle, guys. But look at them. Aren't they? They'll make a really nice ombre sock. Won't they make a nice ombre sock? Oh, so I've got my books and my socks. So I want to say a massive, massive thank you to Josephine. Thank you so much, sweetheart, for sending me these patterns. I am absolutely over the moon. Thank you so very, very much. And to Beehive Yarns, what more can I say, guys? Definitely Linda's yarn, aren't they? Linda's colours. All I need now is some blues, and they will go really nice because my favourite colour combination is blue and brown. So that's all from me for today. Thank you all so very much for joining my channel, for all the thumbs up, for the comments. And guys, if you can't leave a comment, just leave your thumbprint, leave a thumbs up, because that helps me just as much as a comment does. So that's all from me. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.